Venkateshwar, Senior Faculty in the Sri Vidyan Mandir High School. This Chapter 7, this mean value theorem, 12th section, 12th standard, intermediate value theorem. This, if f is a continuous on closed interval a comma b and c is any number between f of a and f of b including, then there is at least one number x in the closed interval a comma b such that this f of x equal to c. This suppose this diagram, this curve, this is a, this is a b, this x, y. This point is c. This f of x is a curve. This any point f is a closed interval a comma b. This interval. This any point in the x. This x. This f of c equal to c is called the intermediate value theorem. Is called the intermediate value. Rolle's theorem. This, if a function f mapping closed interval a comma b tends to R is such that first point f is a continuous on a comma b. F is continuous on closed interval a comma b. Number 2, f is differentiable on open interval a comma b. Third condition, f of a equal to f of b, then there exists at least one value c of x in the open interval a comma b such that f dash c equal to 0. This first case is this function open interval a comma b tends to R. First case is first point f is a continuous on closed interval a comma b. First. Next point is differentiability on open interval a comma b. This interval, this at least one element is c, f of a equal to f of b. Then there exists at least one value of c x in the open interval a comma b such that f dash equal to f dash c equal to 0. This diagram, this curve f of x curve, this curve is y is equal to f of x. This line is x equal to a, x equal to b. This curve, any at least open interval, this x belongs to c, c and t. This a x c belongs to a comma b value. This line x equal to c. This line parallel to x-axis, f dash equal to 0. This third condition, f dash c equal to 0, this is a find c belongs to a comma b. Example 7.19, compute the value of c satisfied by the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x square 1 minus x whole square, comma, x belongs to open interval 0, comma 1. Closed interval, x belongs to 0, comma 1. Given that f of x equal to x square into 1 minus x whole square, comma, x belongs to closed interval 1, comma 0, comma 1. This first case, f of x is continuous on open interval close interval 0 comma 1. Number 2, f of x is differentiable on open interval 0 comma 1. Third case, if f of a is equal to f of b, this interval is 0 comma 1. This a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. Function is f of x equal to x square into 1 minus x whole square. 1 minus. F of 0 is equal to 0 whole square into 1 minus 0 whole square equal to f of 0 equal to 0. Next, f of 1 equal to 1 whole square into 1 minus 1 whole square. F of 1 equal to 1 into 0. F of 1 equal to 0. That is f of 0 equal to f of 1. By using Rolle's theorem, there exists C belongs to 0 comma 1 at least. This f of C equal to 0. F of x equal to 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square whole square. X of u v formula. U dash v plus u v dash. This f dash x equal to 2x into 1 minus x whole square plus x square into 1 minus x 2 into 1 minus x into minus 1. This f dash x equal to, take the common, 2 minus x into 1 minus x, 1 minus x minus x minus x equal to 2x 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x. This f dash c is equal to 2c into 1 minus c 1 minus 2c. Now f dash c is equal to 0 implies this 2c into 1 minus c into 1 minus 2c equal to 0. This 2c equal to 0, 1 minus c equal to 0, 1 minus 2c equal to 0, c equal to 0, c equal to 1, 2c equal to 1, c is equal to 1 by 2. This c comma 1 does not belongs to 0 comma 1. Now c is equal to 1 by 2 belongs to 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 does not belong. This value 0 to 1 between values. This is 0, c equal to 1 by 2, 0.5. This between the 0 comma 1. C is equal to 1 by 2 belongs. Example 7.20. Find the value of in the interval 1 by 2 comma 2 satisfied by the Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x plus 1 by x comma x belongs to closed interval 1 by 2 comma 2. Solution is given that function f of x equal to x plus 1 by x comma x belongs to closed interval 1 by 2 comma 2. This first the Rolle's theorem. F of x is continuous on closed interval 1 by 2 comma 2. Number 2, f of x is differentiable on open interval 1 by 2 comma 2. Third case, f of a is equal to f of b. This interval is x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 2. This a, this b. Function is f of x equal to x plus 1 by x. A is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equal 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2. This equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 2. This f of 1 by 2 equal to LCM is 2. 1 plus 4 equal to 5 by 2. F of 1 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. Next, f of 2. F of 2 equal to x equal to 2 by 1 by 2 equal to 4 plus 1 2 equal to 1 by 5 by 2. Therefore, f of 1 by 2 equal to f of 2. Rolle's theorem. By the Rolle's theorem, there exists at least one value C belongs to open interval 1 by 2 comma 2 such that f dash C equal to 0. F dash equal 0. F of x equal to x plus 1 by x derivative. F dash x equal to x derivative is 1 plus 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square equal to f dash C equal to 1 minus 1 by c square equal to 0 equal to 1 minus 1 by c square equal to 0. C square equal to 1, C is equal to plus or minus 1. C equal to 1, C equal to minus 1 does not belongs to 1 by 2 comma 2. C is equal to 1 belongs to 1 by 2 comma 2. This one value is between 1 by 2 comma 2. This value between it. Example 7.21, page number 16. Computed the value of C satisfied by Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to log of x square plus 6 by 5x in the interval 2 comma 3. Solution. Given that f of x equal to log of x square plus 6 by 5x. X belongs to closed bracket 2 comma 3. Now, the first condition, Rolle's theorem. First condition is f of x f of x is continuous in open interval 2 comma 3. Number 2, f of x is this differentiation in closed interval 2 comma 3. The third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. Now a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. F of a at a equal to, substitution this equation, 2 is equal to log of x square, this is a 2 square plus 6 by 5 into 2 equal to log of 2 2 square nothing but 4 plus 6, 10. 10 by 10 equal to log of 1. Log 1 value is f of 2 equal to 0. Since log 1 value is 0. Log 1 value is 0. Again, f of b is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to log of 3 square plus 6 by 5 into 3 equal log of 3 whole square but 9. 9 plus 6 by 15 equal to log of 15 by 15 equal log 1. Log 1 value is 0, f of 3. Since f of 2 is equal to f of 3, by using by Rolle's theorem, there exists C belongs to 2, 3 such that f dash c equal to 0. F dash equal to f dash x equal to, this formula is d by dx of u by v equal to v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. This is a 5 log x derivative d by dx of 1 log x equal to 1 by x. Log x derivative 1 by x. 1 by x square plus 6 by 5x d by dx of x inner derivatives x square by 5x. This log x derivative is 1 by x square plus 6 by 5x. Inner derivative d by dx of x square plus 6 by 5x. This equal to 5x by x square plus 6 into 5x square v square equal v 5x into derivative of x square plus 6. X square derivative 2x, constant derivative 0. 2x minus u x square plus 6 into 5. 5x derivative 5 equal to 5x by x square plus 6 into 10x square, 5x into 2x, 10x square minus 5x square minus 6 5s are 30 by 5x square root 5x square. Now 1 by x square plus 6 into 10x square minus 5x square, 5x square minus 30 by 5x equal to 1 by x square plus 6 into, take the common 5, x square minus 6 by 5x is cancelled. This finally f dash x equal to x square minus 6 by x into x square plus 6. Now f dash equal to 0 implies f dash equal to 0. This c square minus 6 by c into c square plus 6 equal to 0. C square minus 6 equal to 0. This cross multiplication, 0 into c square plus 6, 0. C square equal to 6. C is equal to plus or minus root 6. C is equal to root 6 or C is equal to minus root 6. This does not belongs to 2, 3. 2, 3 does not belongs to. This c is equal to root 6 belongs to 2 comma 3. Since root 6 value is 2.44. Example 7.22, page number 16. Without actual solving, show that the equation x power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 2 equal to 0. As only one real roots in the interval 0 comma 1. Now solution, given function f of x equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2. This is the function. First is x belongs to 0 comma 1. F of x is continuous in closed interval 0 comma 1. Number 2, f of x is differentiable in open interval 0 comma 1. These two conditions is satisfied. The third condition, f of a is equal to f of b. Suppose f of x a equal to 0, b equal to 1. 0 equal to 0 power 4 plus 2 into 0 whole cube minus 2 equal to minus 2. F of 1, 0. This is a f of 1 power of 4 plus 2 into 1 cube minus 2 equal to minus plus 1. Yes, plus 1. This is a minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Again, this is a 1 plus 2 minus 2. This is cancel. F of 1 equal to 1. F of 0 equal to minus 2. F of 1 equal to 1. This is not equal. The f of 0 is not equal to f of 1. The Rolle's theorem not applicable by using intermediate mean value theorem. Intermediate mean value theorem. This f of x equal to, this is intermediate value theorem. By using this now, f of 0 equal to minus 2 less than 0. F of 1 equal to 1 greater than 0. Now, f of x equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2 equal to 0. F dash x equal to 4x cube plus 6x square equal minus 0 equal to 0. Constant derivative 0. This f dash x equal to 0 implies 4x cube plus 6x square equal to 0. 2, this is a c. This is a 4c cube plus 6c square equal to 0. 2c square common 2c plus 3 equal to 0. 2c square equal to 0 or 2c plus 3 equal to 0. C is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 3 by 2. The curve y is equal to f of x crosses crosses the x-axis between 0 comma 1 only one 0 comma 1 only one by the intermediate theorem f of x has only one real roots only one real roots in the interval 0 comma 1. Friends, the example 7.23 by page number is 17. Example 7.23 page number 17. Prove using the Rolle's theorem that between any two distinct real zeros of the polynomial an x power of n plus an minus 1 x power of n minus 1 plus so on plus a1 x plus an, there is a non-zero of the polynomial n into an x power of n minus 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 1 x power of n minus 2 plus so on plus an. This is a polynomial n degree. This is a polynomial. This the any two distinct real number non-zeros. This is any distinct is a real number non-zeros. This function, let f of x is a polynomial. This derivative to this value. This, for example, the intervals alpha comma beta given, let f of x equal to an x power of n plus an minus 1 x power of n minus 1 plus so on a1 x plus an. This given polynomial, let f of x, let alpha comma beta are two real non-zero roots of f of x. First question. This now this value alpha comma beta. First question. First is f of x is continuous n close interval alpha comma beta. Close interval alpha comma. Number 2, f of x is differentiable n open interval alpha comma beta. Open interval alpha comma beta. Now f of x third condition is let f of alpha equal to 0, f of beta equal to 0. This is non-zero. Yeah, f of alpha equal to f of beta. F of alpha equal to f of beta. This is a by using Rolle's theorem, there exist C belongs to alpha comma beta such that f dash, this is a gamma, f dash gamma equal to 0. Now f of x equal to an x power of n, an minus 1 x power of n minus 1 plus dash a1x plus an. A. The differentiation f dash x equal to or n into a power of n x power of n minus 1 plus n minus 1 into an minus 1 x power of n minus 2 so on a1. This constant is 0. Constant is 0. Answer proved. This is a